We join our hero already off work and elbow deep in an install that he didn't intend to do. We just met with the mail lady, and I know one person that this is gonna make extremely happy. And me, well, we're gonna get into this. I am so happy about this. Let's get out here and finish up what I just randomly started doing because it showed up first. Now, I'm only using on hand what I have. I need to install a catch can. So this catch can is pretty tight. It has a little dipstick. And see how we're gonna do it. Cut this, sanded it down. You know, just a shoddy little job because it's mad hot right now. And I just want to get this done so I can get inside. I'm ready to just start smoking holes and shit. So let's get it. Alright, so this has to be at a serviceable location. I'm gonna have to modify this for sure. Temporarily, this is what it's gonna be. That's gonna be dangling, but I'll be able to shape something a little bit better. We're just mocking it up. Alright, that's gonna have to do for now. I really want it to be somewhere else. I'm gonna get some longer hose. I want it to be somewhere like up front. Yeah, something I could run the hose down and be right here. I'm gonna just have that there temporarily through break-in. After we're broke in, I'm gonna do a more permanent fix because I'm replacing radiator anyway. I don't know, I'll figure that out later, but right now, I want to add these headlights because that one works and this one doesn't. Same as what happened with the other RX-7 HIDs. I guess they just burn out. I'm gonna put the LEDs in there and call it a day. These HIDs have ran their course. Rust boys no longer got good contact. I mean, I can't clean them up, but man, F all that. Plus, these are pink. The Jones was pink. Change them out to my signature yellow Jones. All right, these joints. So I can unscrew these tops, slide this off, and put on clear or blue. I have on the yellows. Yeah, everything's connected. Let's just turn the lights on and see. Oh, yep. Factory shit working. Oh man, I'm hype. I typically have always ran a yellow headlight. When I changed to the greens, I put the pinks on this just to change colors. But the reason I always ran yellow headlights, even on my motorcycles, the yellow headlight in GT racing indicates the lower classman car. So that's why I've always ran yellows. I pride myself on fast, lower horsepower cars. That's done. I'm gonna put this back together, knock out that other side, and that'll be it. I have to move this, pull the trailer out, load the RX-8 up on the trailer because the RX-8's going somewhere tomorrow. Alright, so that's all done. I just decided I'm not about to load the trailer. The RX-8 is a fun car to drive. I'm gonna drive it to where I need to drive it tomorrow. This is complete. I need to see if these got high beams because the high beam is very, very important. Yes, we do. Oh my God, that's great. Those look amazing. Those are absolutely dirty piss colored. That's sauce. I gotta see what this looks like at night. That's ill. That's so good.
Tomorrow.
What a day, what a day. What a beautiful day. It's the day after the 4th of July. Firecrackers and shit was going off everywhere. It's all kind of filth and debris all in my yard from all that bullshit all over the street. And yeah, it's whatever. That's just part of the perks, right? But this thing is filthy. It's dirty. And today's the day I'm about to take it to go get wrapped, going to Prostyle. But I don't want to bring him, even though the paint is in terrible condition, I don't want to bring him the car as dirty as it is. So I'm gonna go get it washed real quick. I was thinking about towing it, but then I'm like, dog, this car runs perfectly fine. Let's just drive it. So we're gonna drive it up. Might as well, right? Real close proximity out here. Oh shit, all over the place. I don't even remember. Does these have rails? Am I gonna fuck up the works? Oh no, we money. Okay, cool. Wide boy acceptable car wash. That underbody sprayed up, cuz. So it's a great looking day today. Might as well be a good time to take the RX-8 out and drive it. It's gonna be a 60-minute drive, close to an hour drive. I haven't really driven this thing that long, that far, probably over 2-3 years. So it'll be pretty cool to just get in it and get behind the wheel and cruise.
You don't know what I'm talking about? It's okay. Whore.
So I was really, I don't know, I was kind of on the fence about dropping down from 19s to 18s, but the reason why, I like the look of the 18s on this car, but the tire size is very important as far as mileage goes. So we're doing 82 miles an hour holding steady. GPS speed is dropping right between 82. There we go. So it's like at 82 and a half where the speedo's showing 83. So that's damn near spot on. I really do think that we killed it with the tire sizing and with the wheel size. So everything is perfect with how this car should be. I'm not putting extra mileage on it and things like that, which that doesn't really matter. But as far as like acceleration goes, it's dead ass how it should be. I think we did a good job, especially with these wheels being a lot lighter than the VSKFs. A couple of cars we just passed, they jumped in behind me, made it look like a cool little caravan of cars going. That was pretty tight. Shout out to them. I don't know where they're headed, but we're headed right up to Prostyle Wraps to drop her off. The paint looks so good after being washed after 2 years, but this side of the car is mad ugly. That side of the car looks amazing, which is hella funny. So anybody that's on this side getting pictures, it just looks like I put over fenders on this car and they aren't painted, and the car looks great. This side though, Lord have mercy. But we're going up to Prostyle Wraps. All of that's gonna be remedied. She's gonna be straight up white. We're gonna match the FC. The FC is going to be twinned up with this car, hood style, rear deck lid and wing. All of that shit is going to mimic, what the hell going on? All of that shit is going to mimic the RX-7s. All right, we made it, Prostyle Wraps. We are inbound. We've seen a few cool cars on the way up, and you know, I'm lightweight embarrassed because mine looks ashy, just like my hands, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna remedy that. So Prostyle is, her ready to take the car on. We're gonna get her back to one color, looking ultra clean. Few little cool little tidbits are gonna happen with it, but we'll show those once the car is completed. But as I was in the car wash, I forgot, dude, the real problem with this tail light. That doesn't bug me because I remember how I got it doing the wall ride, drifting, popped the tail light, and I just said, you know what, I'm leaving it because they work and I don't care. That's gonna remind me to not do dumb shit in this car because I have other cars for it. But I went through the car wash and I forgot. Water gets in through here, and as water gets in through here, it gets in my trunk. So tail light's coming, tail light's gonna be put on. Jalen got some clean little rollers on the way out here, so we got some B-roll for that. And then bam, the man, the myth, the legend, the man of the hour, the boy that's gonna have his fingertips hurting. He's already sunburned because he's fresh back from the water trip up in Tahoe. Yes. But his fingertips is gonna be vinyl burnt now because we've got a whole bunch of white vinyl right there, and he's gonna take that and put it on that. Wouldn't that be tight if we could do that, like the YouTube magic when you go, wham, and then this be white? Like that would be sick. I mean, technically, if we do want to get real gnarly, you're gonna have to park it in the same exact space right here, and then when you're done,
you parked with this crack.
Yep.
We could perfectly replicate it pretty well.
We might do that. So let's just fake the wham, and then we'll see if that turns white when we get back. As always, you gotta follow Prostyle Raps. He's been working hard. I've been watching. He's been out here doing some stuff, and you know, I appreciate every time that I say I have a project, he accommodates that project. So this is fresh back from the 4th of July. He should probably either be hungover or still busting some fireworks, but
all of the above.
To this day, we've got 3M vinyl. I've actually fallen in love with 3M. It actually looks really good like paint. The bike is killer. I just rode that for the first time. Y'all see that vlog here in a second, but good God, love that bike. So this thing driving up, I realized how much I miss driving this car because I've just been driving trucks for like 2 years. This thing is amazing, it's fun. So he's gonna get that thing brought back to a point where I don't look embarrassed when I roll past a convoy of cars.
They only saw one side.
I know they saw the good side though, at least, right? They did see the ashy trunk, but you know what I'm saying? They saw the good side. But man, we're gonna let you're gonna jump on it tomorrow, do your thing. We're gonna let you do what you do, brother. I definitely appreciate it. Oh yeah, Corona elbows, yeah. You know, all his info definitely gonna be in the description. I always put it right here on the screen. Go follow him, check him out, hit him up if you do want your cars wrapped. He does industrial stuff, he does just about everything. So we'll get you guys taken care of with Prostyle Raps. So we're gonna jam back, jump in some AC. Oh, this thing rolled with full AC blasting.
Really?
Oh man, oh man, oh man. I'm telling you, things that you forget about when you don't drive these things in a while. So yeah, I'm happy about that. So we're gonna jump inside and let you do your thing, brother, and I appreciate you.
Oh yeah. See you later.
Yes, sir. So to close it out, I've got these ND filters on. They look hella tight. They've been adding like some real needed element. I've been playing around with a few things just on the low. Some of the footage I don't use is mostly like test footage and shit like that. But I've been trying a few things. I'm trying to make the content look a certain way, and I really do like what I've been getting closer and closer to. So these NDs that I use on the GoPros now look really amazing. Like, it does a whole lot. I don't really have to do much after editing with lighting and shit like that. I was never really good at that. I'm not really an editor. I'm a content creator. This has been pretty fresh to play around with, but I didn't close the vlog out, so let me close it on out. I mean, this is super duper high noon, but these filters are making the footage look really good. Did a few things with the vert, got that where I needed to be, except for that temporary oil catch can location. I'm gonna move that, get that into a more permanent spot, more safe looking spot. To me, it looks a little wonky, but I'm gonna move that, get that done. I know the way I've been giving it up on the vlogs has been like a mixture. It's gonna be pretty dark as I walk in here. So I know the vlogs have been like a mixture of things. I've been trying to keep the variety good and saucy between bike, car, bike, just regular things like that, because I've got so much that I could do. I just need to get the time to do it. But in the last couple of days, wrote this for the first time, got a good test hit on that, brought my homeboy in the back roads with that. Had this set up. I didn't even pull the footage off of this yet. One of my homeboys came by. He needed some stuff done on his bike. Tried to help him out with that. And streaming on IG. I might go stream on YouTube and Twitch. Either or. The links and stuff are in the description. I'm just always trying to do shit, and sometimes we're trying to do shit on the fly. Like, you're probably not even gonna notice this. It's not a big thing, but it's a big thing to me. I mean, we just got those brand new window trims there. I mean, I'm just doing shit, like, stuff is coming in every day, bro, and I'm just trying to stay on top of it and stay busy. So I've just been rocking like I'm supposed to. This has been really fun, and I really do enjoy myself. So other than that, thank you guys for enjoying the vlog. With this experience that we gained on this vlog, I'm gonna give y'all two and we out. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next experience.